Okay, now we're going to convert between units. So let's say we're still going to stick with H2O. Let's say that you have 54.06 grams of H2O, and you want to convert that into moles. We can do that with a simple, it's a one-step dimensional analysis. So if you remember from the previous part, the molar mass of H2O is 18.02 grams per mole. If I start off with 54.06 grams, I'm going to multiply it by this conversion factor. And remember, you can either do 18.02 over 1 mole, or you can do 1 mole over 18.02. You can choose either one depending on what your initial data is. 54.06 grams, which conversion factor do you want to use? You want to use this one right here. So a little phrase that I like to use: what you want goes on top. I want moles, right? I'm trying to convert into moles. That's the goal here. So I want moles, so I know I'm going to put moles on top. That way my grams are on the bottom. So what do we know when we have something in the numerator and something in the denominator? The units cancel. Remember, there's an imaginary 1 underneath that number. So this is essentially a fraction. And if I were to multiply my numerators together and then divide by the denominators, the grams cancel. So go ahead and do that calculation. 54.06 multiplied by 1 over 18.02, which is the same thing as dividing. You should get 3 moles. That would be your answer there. Moles are not always a nice, pretty whole number. You could have a decimal, so just keep that in mind.